up with it, y'all? Mud Life back out here with you. It's a beautiful morning, a good morning, but as you know, a lot of stuff just going to crap everywhere around you. Man, stores running out of stuff, places running out of ammo. Gotta wear a mask every day. But anyway, so you know, with these messed up times, you might run out of ammo. You might be stuck with only 22 if you got a lot of it. Some people got a lot, some people don't. Today's test, we got my Ruger 1022 on an ATI Strike Force stock. Yes, it is collapsible and adjustable. We got a BX 25 round mag, and we got a Barska 3 to 9 by 40. Little cheap scope I bought, but yeah, this was my first rifle I ever bought, y'all. My Ruger 1022. It's been with me for about 6-7 years now. Yeah, my first rifle I ever bought was 22. Take a look at it. I know y'all done seen it on the channel before, but for y'all that ain't seen it, that's my Ruger 1022. And it'll shit really hit the fan. Just take that off. And now we got a pistol grip 1022 without a stock. But I probably still would leave the stock on anyway. Now I also think about putting a red dot on here. Tell me what y'all think. But how many 22 LR bullets do you think it will take to go through a cinder block? Just one wall of the cinder block. Just one wall of the cinder block. You're not trying to shoot through both ends. You're just trying to get through one wall. I'm gonna take my first shot and then I'm gonna give you my predictions. And no, I don't have no hearing protection. Not today. That one shot, a well placed shot. Let's take a look at it. I think we can get through it within one magazine. So let's go take a look and tell me what you think. I say maybe a 1/4 of an inch divot is off in it. Knocked out about a 1/4 inch chunk of concrete. All right, angle that back down so the bullets will deflect down. My initial predictions, they weren't on camera, they were just in my head, you know. I thought one mag, and that's all I brought was one mag. Each mag holds 25 rounds. So, I think we can get through the one mag. Somebody said 200, somebody said 300 last night. I asked this question. So we finna just go and see how many it take and get through it. So that's the nature of 22 sometimes. It messed up on it. And I think we hitting right on that secondary wall where it connects it. Now we had made it through with one round before that, but I just sent another one just because. So let's go check it out. Hey, so it only took around 8 or 9 rounds, well maybe 7 or 8, because I did one more round just to make sure. So between, I'd say 7 and 8 rounds, we got through the concrete, y'all. Yeah, okay, because see, there go my neck. The last round, that would be it. So we got through it before that. I wonder, I wonder, any other projectiles. See if I can find one for y'all right quick. Nope, can't find none. But anyway, some people thought 200, some people thought 300. It took like 7. So I mean, hey, 22. A lot of people talk noise about it, but it don't mean you can't get through no cinder block with it. As you see, you can. But anyway, gun has been cleared. I'm just gonna put it on safety anyway. So, were y'all surprised by that test? I was. I kind of was. I actually thought it might take like about 10, you know, or a little over 10. I knew I could do it in under one magazine though. But if y'all were surprised, tell me. Tell me how you were surprised in the comments. I ain't got my words together. A little too early for it. But anyway, like and subscribe. Click the like button. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead, push the subscribe button. Then when the bell come up, click the bell, turn on all notifications. Got more stuff coming down the pipeline. Hey, that's good to know though. Just think about it. So you can chop through bricks with a 22. A lot of y'all might didn't think y'all did. I knew you could. Like I said, I just wasn't sure on how many rounds. But anyway, catch all these bugs stuff out here early in the morning. Catch you next time, y'all.